Opportunities or challenges. In today's video, I'm gonna unlock City of Markham's state of real estate, right? And trends we're gonna share whether it's a time for the opportunities or challenges. Hey, this side Ashish Sharma, your realtor with Right at Home Realty Brokerage. In today's video, we're gonna unlock market stats for the beautiful city of Markham, which is in the York region. York region is in the north of city of Toronto, like right above the Steels. The whole York region starts, and city of Markham is right on that border. And before you go away, please remember, data is the new oil. Data is the key. You need to know how the market is doing before investing, before putting down your single dollar as well. Let me ask you one thing. When you buy any stock, any investment, any ETF, any index fund, any mutual fund, you saw their historic patterns, don't you? Why don't you do that with real estate? Why? Why don't? You should. You should ask your realtor. You should ask the real estate industry professional who you are dealing with. What was the historic patterns look like? The kind of property you are investing your money in, how the returns look like, how the property types performed in that city, how that city is performing, what is the demographic look like. Ask all this question because that's the important aspect of buying the real estate. You can change the whole property from upside and down. You can put thousands and thousands of dollars inside the property. The only thing you cannot change is location. So that's why 3 rules for real estate investing is location, location, location. So without further ado, let's unlock real estate. Okay, so welcome back. So let's start with the average price for city of Markham, which is hovering around 1.26 million, and it is down 1.7% year over year and down 6.9% month over month. And if we talk about the sales number, 228 transactions happened for the city of Markham for the month of August 2024 reported number, which is down 6.2% year over year and up 0.9% month over month. And remember guys, this video is only for city of Markham all housing category. If you are a buyer, seller or investor wants to know about the other housing category in city of Markham, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And if you are just here for learning and want to know more about the other municipality, check out our channel and you will see all the other major municipalities. And if you are a real estate industry professional, visit unlockrealestate.ai and become a member today so that you can choose your choice of your subscription and get access of this beautiful tool which we have created. All you have to do is select the city of your choice, select the property types of your choice, select the timeline of your choice, and you're good to go. Now, let's get back to the main point: opportunities or challenges. Let me show you this thing. Right now, you are seeing the average price trend for overall city of Markham for all housing category from 2022 onwards to 2024. Why I set it to 2022? I can go back and show you what happened in 2021 as well, 2020 as well. But now that time has been already increased. Now at the same time, we need to see where the market is heading at this point, right? So 2022 we are taking into picture, and I'm not gonna talk about the peak of the 2022 when the prices were sitting around 1.6 million. I'm going to talk about the opportunities or challenges after the whole shenanigan what we have seen for the last 2 years since the interest rate started increasing in 2022, and it keep on increasing till 2024 once we start the decrease in the last 3 months of June, July and September, right? Those September numbers are still not in, and we will see that in next month how the market reacted on the September decrease as well. But right now we are seeing whatever is reported number. So let me give you one couple of main points, and then we can discuss whether it's a time for the opportunities or challenges in city of Markham. So market peak in February of 2022. As you can see, charts doesn't lie. It's all visuals. We are not making it up, right? Market right away declined, jump from the cliff, like right away you are like coming downward trends kind of stuff, right? And September of 2022, prices came down to 1.2 million, which we all can see that. And this is the lowest bottom, as you can see in the front of your screen. The downward trend is years you are seeing and the months you are seeing, and this is the lowest point we are seeing right now in city of Markham overall housing category. Again, I'm not drilling down to any respective property types. If you want to know more about those, reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you. And let's talk about the September, we see the lowest of the lowest after the pandemic high. I'm talking about just for the last 2.5 year-ish kind of stuff, 2 years and 8 months data we have right now in front of you on the screen. And September months is the lowest we have seen, right? Which is at 1.21 million. Then market fluctuate, it went up, it came down, and the December is the another kind of like the second nearby downward trend. And at that point we see a price is at 1.23 million in December of 2023, right? This is the lowest point we are seeing. This is the second lowest point we are seeing. And at this point, August of 2024, we are seeing the third lowest point in overall housing category in city of Markham at 1.26 million. Now, is this an opportunity or challenge? It depends. The best answer from a real estate agent, right? Because actually, it actually depends. It actually depends. I'm decoding a lot of things in front of you, but at the same time, it depends. Now, if you are a seller in this market, it's for sure a challenge for you. Why? Because active listings are going up, sales are not happening, so it's a challenging market for you. But if you are a buyer, it's a heaven for you, because more the listings in the market, less the sale is happening, more the inventory, more the choices, and more the power in your hand. Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So it depends. For sure, a challenging market. At this point, the challenge was for buyers and heaven was for sellers. At this point, challenge are for sellers, heaven are for buyers. So it depends, right? So now you have to decide whether it's a challenge or opportunity for you. And if you want to know more, if you are in this market as a buyer, seller, or investor, reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer all your questions and give you a confidence of how we can navigate in this market. Let's talk about the sale active listings. There are a total of 922 active listings right now in the market, which is up 77.6% year over year and 4.1% down month over month, which brings the month of inventory to 4 months of inventory at this point, which is literally on the margin of balanced market. Let me show you this. As we just talk about the prices, right? The numbers. The sales are also declining, but at this point, this is the real data. Now, as a buyer, I would think that active listings are going down, and historically, prices came down as well. This might be an opportunity, but it could be a possibility that it can go further down, but it could be a possibility it might stabilize, because now in last couple of months we have seen an interest rate drop as well. So a lot of more buyers might enter into the market. Let's look at this number. This is a graph of buyers or sellers market trends. So the blue line always give you the average price trend. Yellow line give you the trend of the month of inventory. So as you can see, right now we are on the higher side of the anything sellers market, say less than 4 months, less than or equal to 4 months, and less than 4 months. Balance market says 4 to 6 months. Right now we're in the balance territory, right? But how market will react in future, time will tell. If the sales start increasing more and we don't add that many of active listings and inventory came down, prices might jack up. But if, let's say, active listing keep on jacking up and sales keep on dropping, inventory keep on increasing, buyers will have more edge and it stretch down to even more lower. Now the real question is, will we break 1.21 bottom out point, which we saw at 1 September of 2020? Time will tell. Nobody has a crystal ball. If somebody is telling you they have a crystal ball, they are lying to you. Days on market. It is taking on an average 28 days for any properties to get sold in city of Markham. And remember, guys, this data, this video, this whole analysis is only for your information and education purposes. This is not any kind of financial advice. This is not any kind of financial advice. If you are seeking a financial advice, please reach out to the respective professional. And this, we are just bringing out the numbers from the public portals, and we are just bringing to you. If you are a buyer, seller, investor, not working with any realtor right now, reach out to me. I'll be happy to help you, assist you, and navigate you throughout your needs. And if you are a real estate industry professional, wants to get hold of this tool so that you know how's the market doing, because in this video, all we did is all category. Each and every housing category, you can break it down and impress your clients and stuff, right? Visit unlockrealestate.ai and become a member today and choose your subscription now. As I always say, keep on learning, keep on hustling, keep on growing. Until next time, have a good one.